Where's Bitcoin going? Seems like that's the question on everyone's mind with it rallying how it is. So, what I did is I went over a weekly chart of Bitcoin, I drew some trend lines, and laid out some important price levels on the chart for you guys right now. Alright, first things first, looking at the top trend line, I have to ask myself the question, will Bitcoin head to that trend line if it gets above 65,510 on a weekly close? There's no doubt about it that it can go up to 85,000 right here. What'll prompt that rally to 85,000 is a weekly close above 65,510 in my opinion. But closing the week below 65,510 can promote a reversal and further downside action in my opinion. Alright, I felt like it would be important now for me to go over the numbers on the downside after 65,510 and pointing out why they are important. So you can see 59,972 right here. A lot of wicks on the weekly chart. This is a weekly chart, longer term chart. You can see that on a weekly basis this number is support and resistance. Alright, down to the next one at 50,791. You could see recently that this was where they waited for a week before breaking up all the way to 65,000. And going back in time, you could see how they closed right here, right on it. Same thing, ran up into near. And right here, you can see the importance of that number. Alright, and after clearing up the screen, we have 46,705. You can see that was the prior resistance with this trend line here that I'm about to circle that they got above before breaking out. And we could see that right here it's also important, right here it's also important, right here it's also important, and right here it's also important. Even though I sound like a repeating clock and it looks obvious, it's what the market is telling me those numbers are important. Alright, and back to the last number that I plotted on the chart today, all the way down at 30,000. You can see that a couple moving averages right there. I wouldn't be surprised if it was back at 30,000, or I also wouldn't be surprised if it was up at 85,000. But you could see that they broke out from this number in 2023, how important it is. They broke down from it right here. They found support right here, and they broke above right here. Alright, that's going to do it for this short video this morning on a weekly chart of Bitcoin. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you think it's going to go, or let me know what you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.